Sup guys, and today we're going to be talking about the LineageOS 23.2 custom GSI on the Redmi Note 13 5G. So the app animations, nothing special, it's just pixel. And for the storage, we have, let me say this, 16 gigabytes total. That is insane for a GSI, okay? Now we have our battery percentage, which the battery percentage is inaccurate if you have like a worn out battery or something like that. I have to deal with that. But let's get into the status bar. Into the status bar, we have settings. We could change the clock position, let's say right, or I could put it in the center, which actually works. It just works if I just try and put it into the center. But it will be hidden if I'm on the system launcher. Check this out though. It will if I'm on the system launcher, it just disappears. Voila! But if I go here into an app, look, it's back in the middle. Now, if you have it on left, then it will effectively get hidden, but the screen recording indication will stay. Now, you have your animations here. They're really smooth and snappy. And I'm also hiding the notch. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that. Developer options works. It works perfectly. It works perfectly. Literally. It works perfectly. Because there's no issues. You have your battery status style. I keep it on circle, but icon landscape is just a simple one, basic from Android 16. You got dotted circle is just circle but dotted, and then you got text, which is just a text like in One UI 8. You got auto brightness. What auto brightness does is show the auto brightness button beside the brightness. You could also change the slider position, which is really cool. You can choose when the brightness slider shows. If I tap on never show, look, it's never going to show. If I tap on show always, it's always going to show. And if I just tap show and expanded, it's just a regular one. But yeah, you can add your seconds into the status bar, which I really like. Your AM/PM. It's very cool. And your system icons, which is basically your system UI tuner, which allows you to remove and add like your status bar icons. I don't know if it works, but I mean, your gestures works fine. Developer options works and turns on fine. Yes, it has Android 16. Wireless debugging works fine. So if you want to debug using Kanta, that's gonna work perfectly fine. Then you got your display cutout. Like I said, I'm on hide, and also you can make the you can make your navigation bar transparent. That's what I say. Yeah, this is a really cool GSI. But if you want to try this out, you definitely can. And Bluetooth. Let's talk about Bluetooth. Now, Bluetooth on this LineageOS GSI works fine. Now, the stock Google Pixel GSI probably did work fine as well, but one thing it didn't work fine with was the flashlight. See, on the stock Google Pixel GSI that I was using on this phone, the flashlight didn't work. Whenever you tap the flashlight, it will just show that the toggle was on, but on the back of your phone, the flashlight would never turn on. With this GSI, it actually works, and when I tap it, the flashlight turns on. It's really cool because it's really cool to see that it actually works. Got your treble joy settings, and yeah, that's really it for this custom ROM. I mean, you have 16 gigabyte storage. I'm not gonna go into about device because that could contain some very key, very information very, very information that I shouldn't share out there to the world. But networks work fine. When you're like connected to a network, it works fine. Everything else seems to work fine. Oh yes, and the wallpaper. You see, back then when I was on the other stock GSI on Google instead of the LineageOS one, if you tried to set a wallpaper, it would just show that there's no images to set, which was kind of annoying. And then here, I don't think the other one had these like cooler style icons or themed icons either. But yeah, it does. And back on the other one, all the icons used to be square. You had to manually set them to circle, but you couldn't even select one. You had to tap, then then try to select one. It wouldn't work, and then go back and then select the one you wanted just for it to work. This one just works perfectly fine, and then you have to tap apply. Plus, you can use on-screen wallpapers. This is the wallpaper engine thing you use. So you could choose a wallpaper from your photos or from your collections, like on your on-device wallpapers. These are all the LineageOS wallpapers, but I personally prefer the green one, not the orange one or the others. I mean the blue one, green one, blue one, green one, blue one, green and blue one. Whatever. But yes, this is our LineageOS GSI. And how did I flash this? Well, it was easy. I just took a LineageOS 23.2 and saw if I could actually like daily drive it, and I was able to get it flashed. But I want to show y'all something even cooler than that. Let's see. If we go to YouTube and we let the
Yo, what's up,
videos
everybody?
load,
It's your boy Floss, back
look at
again
the
with
bottom
another
of the screen
video.
right now,
And today we're going to do the
near
real
where the
review
bottom bar
for the
is.
Motorola Razr Fold
Where it's all red.
2026.
Look at that. That's like pink, red, but whatever, and then boom. But look, you see how this image is purple and this video is purple, yellow, and orange? It has blur, which is absolutely insane. How? It's really cool though. Who knows? But that's really like the end of the tour for this custom ROM. I mean GSI. It's not a custom ROM. And yeah, stuff worked fine like screenshot and other features. But that's really it for this GSI. Thank you for watching this video, and I recommend you try it out. If y'all want me to tell you how to like to get it, you can just search out LineageOS GSI, and you should find something on a website called like sourceforge.net. If it's not .net, then if it's just called SourceForge, that's the one you're looking for. Thank you for watching and have a great day.